Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this BMW X4. So from any screen, you've got telephone there and you've got menu. So if we click on telephone, you've got at the bottom Bluetooth menu. Click on Bluetooth menu and you've got there Bluetooth, add new device, Barry's iPhone. If I knock across there on Barry's iPhone, you'll see there you've got configure device. I'll just do that again. So navigate to the one you want and then knock the rotary controller. There's a little sign there, I can't tell what it is, but anyway, so knock it across to the driver's side if you're in a right-hand drive vehicle, and then you've got configure device or remove device. Click on remove device and that's it gone.